Hey, hi there, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to unbox these three parcels that I bought from Flipkart. I did a book haul a few days ago. If you haven't checked that out, please go and click on the link there in the description. Also, you can check here is the link. So without further ado, let's get started. The first book I'm going to unpack is this. So here is our second parcel, and this parcel contains a single book, and let me open it quickly, okay? And here is the book, The Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent Peale. Let me open it. Okay, so I ordered this book in 3 copies. Okay, here is the book. Wow. And if I tell you the price of this book, then the actual price is $3.99, but on Flipkart big saving days I got this book at rupees just 53. Just 53. Yes, I'm not joking.